Hello Northern Nevada, my name is Kunal Patel from Davidson's Organic Teas, and I'd like to formally invite you to our NCET Tech Wednesday event on May 8th. At the event, you'll see our operation in full swing, all the way from receiving to storage, to blending, to tea bag production, to packing, and then to top it all off, we will be cupping some of our best-selling tea blends as well. Cupping, for all those who don't understand the tea terminology that we use, includes organoleptic review of our teas, all the way from visual to flavor, to aroma, to even the grade level, so that we can educate you more about how we go about sourcing every key quality ingredient from all around the world, bringing into our facility, and blending them to make a finished blend. For all those who don't know who we are a third-generation organic tea grower out of India, growing tea since the 1920s. We import tea, herbs, and spices from all around the world, probably all 7 continents. I don't even know the number of countries we work with and the small farmers we work with. But all the ingredients come into our facility here, where we make the magic happen. We blend over 300 finished products, and we source over 500 organic ingredients from all our suppliers. Additionally, we've expanded into our new 50,000 square foot facility here that makes us Nevada's largest tea manufacturer, and also probably the largest vertically integrated organic tea manufacturer in the US. And once again, please join us on May 8th at the NCET Tech Wednesday event to experience the magic and romance behind our delicious teas.